Hey there, fitness enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're diving into a fascinating concept that might just change the way you think about staying active and healthy as you age. Get ready to challenge some common beliefs and discover the secret behind those vibrant, fit individuals in their golden years who seem to defy the aging process. Imagine this: you see a vibrant, energetic person in their 60s or 70s, moving with ease and grace. You ask them about their workout routine, expecting a tale of intense gym sessions or rigorous training. But their response surprises you. They don't have a routine. No gym, no running, no structured programs. Yet, they're in better shape than many younger folks with gym memberships. So, what's their secret? Well, my friends, it's not luck or genetics. It's a lifestyle. These individuals have unknowingly built a life that keeps them moving constantly, and it's all thanks to something called non-exercise activity thermogenesis, or NEAT for short. NEAT is a mouthful, I know, but it's a game changer in the fitness world. So, what exactly is NEAT? In simple terms, it's the energy you expend for everything that isn't sleeping, eating, or intense exercise. It's the cumulative effect of all those little movements we make throughout the day: walking to work, typing, doing yard work, even fidgeting. These seemingly trivial actions add up and play a massive role in our overall fitness. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Research shows that NEAT can vary drastically between individuals, sometimes by up to 2,000 calories per day. This variation isn't due to exercise levels but rather lifestyle and occupation choices. Most of the world's population doesn't engage in formal exercise, and for them, NEAT is the key to a healthy, active life. So, how do these fit individuals in their 60s and 70s maintain their vitality? They've mastered the art of incorporating NEAT into their daily lives. Let's explore some of their habits. Cooking their own meals. Cooking is an underrated full-body workout. Standing, reaching, chopping, stirring, it all adds up. Cooking 2 meals a day keeps them active without even realizing it. Home maintenance, vacuuming, cleaning, doing laundry, these tasks might seem mundane, but they're a great source of movement. Obese individuals could burn an extra 350 calories daily by adopting these habits. Gardening, squatting, digging, lifting. Gardening is an unintentional full-body workout. It's weight-bearing, improves balance, and happens outdoors, providing a natural, enjoyable workout. Walking for transportation. They walk to the shops, visit friends, and run errands. Walking is a natural part of their day, not a dedicated workout session. Taking stairs as a default. It's not a fitness decision but a habit. They use stairs automatically, removing the need for willpower each time. Carrying things, groceries, laundry, even grandchildren, they haven't outsourced physical labor. Carrying provides natural resistance training, maintaining grip strength and bone density. Standing more than sitting. Research shows that NEAT movements can result in an extra 2,000 calories burned daily. Standing while talking, reading, or cooking is a simple yet effective way to increase NEAT. Active social lives. They meet friends for walks, play with grandchildren, and attend community events. Socializing in physical spaces naturally involves movement. Running errands. They don't batch errands for efficiency. Multiple small trips throughout the week keep them active and engaged. A purpose-driven life. The key to their success is having a purpose that requires physical activity. Their movement is woven into their daily lives, giving them a reason to stay capable. Now, this way of living isn't just about staying fit. It's about building a life where movement is natural and purposeful. These individuals haven't traded movement for structured exercise. They've kept it integrated into their daily lives, and that's the real secret to their vitality. So, my friends, the choice is yours. Do you want to build a life that moves, or a schedule that exercises? It's all about architecture and the choices we make. Stay curious, keep moving, and let's embrace a healthier, more vibrant future together.